Hi guys, Mark Hanson here from Coach Affiliates. Now if you're currently involved in high-ticket affiliate marketing, then you probably have unfinished projects that have remained untouched for some time. Maybe you started an affiliate marketing blog, website project, or maybe you started making videos for a brand new YouTube channel. But like many others, you got a little bit frustrated, impatient, and then you got attracted by some other offer somewhere along the line. Maybe shiny object syndrome got a hold of you and the project was simply abandoned. But did you know that you can resurrect these dormant projects with some careful tweaking and an expert guidance so they can finally fulfill their money-making potential? Now it seems such a shame to waste an asset that you worked so hard to put together. Just because you didn't make money with it the first time around is no guarantee that the same will happen in the future. So who knows how far away you was from making your project a success in the first place. It could have been a simple change to the system that would have done everything, changed everything. Maybe you if you added a proven strategy, one simple strategy could have been the game changer, or just giving it a little bit more time would have been the difference between success and failure. So how would you feel if you worked your magic with some professional guidance on your project and it started to finally bear fruit? Imagine reviving a dormant project and turning it into a valuable income stream. Now doing this is a lot easier than it looks. See, there is a proven system of how to build a money-making website, how to build a money-making blog and a YouTube channel successfully. Step-by-step videos that have already been completed for you to follow. It's like a done-for-you checklist where you can make your changes with a simple click-by-click instructions, a tweak here and a tweak there, a proven plan of action that you can follow at your own pace. And the best part is you can get started for only $1. If you're ready to turn a dormant project into a money-making machine, then all you need is Tao, taking action online to make it happen. The link is in the description. Please don't forget to like, share, comment and of course subscribe for more affiliate marketing training. If you're looking for the best affiliate marketing training program, then I would recommend you have a look at Tao. It's 5-star rated, perfect for beginners and more experienced affiliate marketers. It's a perfect choice for making money from affiliate sales, passive income streams and advertising revenue. This is the best affiliate marketing training program I have seen in my 23 years in affiliate marketing. That's how good it is, but please check it out for yourself. The link is in the description.